welcome to another support video from Instrument Choice. In this video we will show you what is in the box for the EL-WIFI-T. The EL-WIFI-T measures the temperature of its surrounding environment and transmits the data wirelessly to a computer via Wi-Fi. In the box there is the data logger, a USB for charging and a quick start guide. The quick start guide outlines how to set up, charge and position the data logger sensor. The logger comes with a rigid plastic mounting bracket and the data logger can be taken out easily. The logger is a compact design with an extra large LCD screen for at-a-glance reading from almost any angle. On the bottom of the data logger, under an attached rubber cover, is the charging port. And that's what's in the box for the EL-WIFI-T. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.